Rainbows over you, kiss no one needs to know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, I'm Shay. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of packing. Tomorrow me and Damien are going to Palm Springs. We really needed like a little vacation. It's not that far away from us. We've been working a lot. So this little trip is going to be a very relaxing trip for us. So today we're going to pack our suitcase together. I want to do a little bit of cleaning, not a deep cleaning, but just a little bit of cleaning so that when we get back from our trip, we're going to be back to a really nice clean home. I'm also going to be filming some short form content to post on my TikTok and Instagram. If you guys don't follow me there, make sure to go ahead and follow me there. But I'll probably have a phone stand up so you guys can see a little bit of the behind the scenes, and let's get started. So it's lunchtime. I'm so hungry, and honestly I only filmed like 5 minutes and I'm so exhausted, but I also spilled some water on my shirt. Packing and filming at the same time is so hectic, but I feel like these videos are so satisfying, so I really wanted to film one. For lunch, I'm gonna make me and Damien like a basic chicken sandwich, like the most basic chicken sandwich you'll ever see, but it's quick and it's easy and good, so yeah. I've been really into Olipop lately. This is the Peaches and Cream Barbie edition. I don't know, it caught my attention because it's pink and it said Barbie. Oh god, that's really good. So me and Damien just finished eating lunch and I have to take care of this mess. I'm gonna have to clean all this up, drink some coffee because I'm so tired, and then I'm gonna get back to filming. Now that I've finished the ASMR portion of my TikTok video, I'm gonna wash my sheets and my pillow covers. This blanket my mom gave me from Korea, it's so comfortable and fluffy. Like, it's not aesthetic, but honestly Korean blankets are top tier. They're so comfortable and like they keep you cool, especially during the summer, so I'm obsessed with those. If you guys have any recommendations of like good bed sheets? Let me know down in the comments. The unseen side. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Like, I see these videos all over TikTok and I get so excited to like recreate them, and then halfway through I'm like, why did I even start? Like, it's so tiring. But the end result is worth it, I must say. It's very satisfying when the video comes together. So I'm exhausted. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna get the best sleep ever tonight, thank God. I'm gonna sleep like a baby and then head off to Palm Springs tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on the next episode at Palm Springs. Bye.
좋아하면 원래 다 이렇다던데 너의 한마디 한순간이 소중해서